Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how to increase the value of your company and your online presence. There are three key factors that you need for that: content, backlinks, and citation. Now, many companies can build beautiful sites, but some of them do fall short when it comes to content and search engine optimization, or SEO. Of course, you know that this is your Google search bar right here, and every time you type something into here, these are considered keywords. And Google uses these keywords to look for websites that best fit the search, SEO, search engine optimization. And Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content that's relevant to these keywords. And then Google will categorize these websites based on that. And this is how you'll establish rank. Now, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. Now, backlinks play an important role as well. That is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another one, and Google uses that to build trust. Citations or referring domains, anywhere your name, address, and phone number are shown exactly as your Google business profile, where they can link your business profile with the citations for the particular area within the map that you want to cover. Citations include Yellow Pages, Angie, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, and that's going to directly affect how you rank right here in the map section. Obviously, we can see you are right here. That is awesome, excellent. Everything underneath the map is considered an organic rank, aside from an advertisement like Yelp. We do have number 3 right here, tree removal Baldwin. I see that. And I do see you down here in number 7. But I wanted to kind of touch base a little bit here and show you what was going on. I have your website here, and I have a tool that I can use that shows me what's going on behind the scenes and how Google is looking at you as far as the relevance of your rank and your keywords and your endorsements through backlinks and referring domains and other websites. So I can see you have 231 backlinks, 85 referring domains, 2 keywords. It's getting you around 13 views a month on traffic. Keep in mind that not all backlinks are created equal. You want to have strong domain rank and fair traffic coming through. As we take a scroll down, 23 and 0, 23 and 0 and 0, 649,000, 0, 0, 0 with a fairly low ranking. Even though the rank is up, the traffic is low. There isn't a whole lot going on. As far as the keywords, looks like you're down 1, maybe, and up 7 on the traffic, but I'm not quite sure about that. It doesn't make too much sense. Now, again, volume is the amount per month, 30 times a month for these keywords. Chesterfield tree service. Every time somebody types in Chesterfield tree service, this is what's coming up for you. Now, as far as tree service for Baldwin tree services, I wanted to put them in the same tool and compare so you could get an understanding. They have 85 backlinks versus the 231 that you have. But like I said, not all backlinks are created equal. And they have 34 domains versus the 85 that you have, 41 keywords that are generating them 63 views per month in traffic. So it could be based on the service area and the keywords that they're putting in. Also, I'd like to point out there is no directions for you. So maybe your Google Business profile wasn't built out correctly. You're not showing a service area or location, and you could be missing out on traffic through keywords. Let's take a look at some backlinks to give you an idea. So we have almost 2,000 views a month on this one, 10 million views a month on that, a million views a month on this, almost 12,000 views a month on this particular website, almost 12,000 here, 4 million views at this website. These domains are strong. 10 million, and these yellow pages are strong, 10 million views. So not all backlinks are created equal. That's a basis or a little insight there, some understanding of how that works. Let's take a look at keywords. The volume that they're getting per month that's being searched. Obviously, Baldwin Tree Services, okay. Let's see. Tree trimming near me, 46,000 times a month. The tree service, 250. Tree service logo. Tree service now. Tree service near my location, 200 times. Tree removal services, 3,000 times. So this is the combined total of the exposure that somebody would get to your site if the keywords and the content were were done correctly, and bringing this together so that Google could recognize that you are being endorsed and you're trusted to be looked at and put you into the rank and move you. Even though you are on the first page, there's a potential for you to be missing out on a lot of exposure and potential clients and customers and sales, maybe with some issues with the keywords and the content there, and probably with the location services that you're serving. So with that being said, I'm hoping that you understand a little bit more about how a well-built site is important to your exposure and to your clientele, business. And with that being said, I hope you found this a little bit insightful. And if there was anything that you want to do as far as looking at some realistic goals or changes in your business, I'd be more than happy to work with you. Again, my name is Jeff, and thanks for taking the time to watch this, and have a great day.